This is how you replace the aerator for the Glacier Bay HD67103W-0708D2. You're going to unscrew the aerator by turning it clockwise, and this is 1.8 gallons per minute flow rate. So you want to get an aerator that's that. I'll leave a link in the description for a good aerator. I got this Spring Flow one. Once you remove the previous aerator, since this is a male connection, you're going to want to remove the thickest washer, and then you're just going to screw it in. But you're going to go the opposite way this time. So you're going to go counterclockwise. You did clockwise to unscrew it and counterclockwise to screw it. And you should be changing these maybe once or twice a year just to prevent sediment buildup and making sure it's giving clean water.